The environmental threats that we face are not limited to climate change. Hello everyone, I'm Quentin CHAPELAIN, heading the ESG department at Bollé Brands. Our journey towards sustainability has been a meticulous one, focusing on understanding our impact and striving to become a more sustainable company. To truly push boundaries, we've adopted diverse calculation methods beyond just measuring our carbon footprint. We are also assessing our activities' impact on biodiversity. It's crucial to realize that even without climate change, human activities would still profoundly affect biodiversity. Consider this alarming fact. 69% of the world's vertebrate population has vanished since 1970, and the current rate of extinction is 10 to 100 times higher than any other previous mass extinction. This degradation stems not only from climate change, but also from other pressures, such as land use, resource exploitation, pollution, and invasive species. At Bollé Brands, we leverage external frameworks, like the Global Biodiversity Score, to evaluate our impact comprehensively. Not only do we look at our own impacts, but more importantly, we examine our entire value chain. So where do we stand? Well, the GBS offers insights through dynamic and static scoring mechanism. The dynamic score reflects the impact of our activities on biodiversity over the past year, while the static score encompasses our cumulative impact since our company's creation over 130 years ago. For perspective, over the last 130 years, our activities have caused environmental damage equivalent to the destruction of 1,800 football pitches. By 2027, our aim is to reduce this impact by 5%, meaning we'll allow biodiversity to restore itself equivalent to 90 football pitches. To achieve this, we've outlined concrete actions. For instance, to address climate change pressure, we've set a target to reduce CO2 emission per product by 35% by 2027. This involves a fundamental shift towards eco-design, sharply increasing the share of recycled and bio-based material in our products and working with our factories to source low-carbon energy for production. Similarly, in response to land use pressure, we are committed to making 95% of our packaging eco-friendly by 2024, utilizing 100% post-consumer recycled plastic and opting for FSC certified or recycled cardboard and paper components, thus reducing our impact on forest exploitation. So, minimizing our impact on biodiversity is part of our plan for the future.